So this is my 2003 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Classic 100-year anniversary. So I've had two issues with it recently. The first issue was that my neutral light would not stay on. So after checking some forums, I found out that it was the neutral switch, which is right here. So this is the right side of the engine. This is this part here. I can show you. This is the top of the transmission cover, and then to the left is the starter. And the switch is right there. And it has two little rubber plugs on it. Let me focus. Once you take the plugs off, you're gonna expose the switch. So the easiest way to get it out that I saw is with a wrench. This is a 7/8 wrench. So I just came in from the right side. Just put it right on top here. It's not tight at all. Just crank up on it a little bit, enough to get it loose by hand. Just a couple of turns, and then you can actually get it out by hand. It's not difficult at all. And this is what the switch looks like. I believe it's $20 from Harley. Now also, if you guys are thinking on this type of motor, this is a stock motor, of replacing the gasket on the top transmission cover, these bolts here, 6 bolts, are super easy to get out. The issue is because the starter sits on the back part of the cover here, it's impossible to get the cover off to replace the gasket. So what you have to do on the starter, it has, I don't know if you can see, the top bolt there is like a triangle. You have to remove that bolt, and then on the right and left sides, there's this type of bolt there. Okay. Now the easiest way to get it out is use a 1/4 inch long extended wrench like this. Okay, it's the easiest way to get it out. The one on the bottom right, the one on the left, and it's enough to wiggle the starter out, probably 1/4 of an inch. Wiggle it out just a little bit, and you'll be able to get the transmission cover off and replace the gasket. Now there's some other forums that say you can go to the other side, take out the primary and completely take out the starter. That's good if you're gonna replace the starter, but if you're just trying to get to this cover, it's no need. Okay, so again, it's just 3 bolts if you want to loosen up the starter. It's a top bolt there, and then the 1/4 inch bolt on the bottom. Again, get this wrench. I got this from Harbor Freight. It will save you a lot of headaches, believe me. It took me several days to figure this out, but that's the easiest way to do it. And again, just to go back to the neutral light switch, it's right here. It's about $20 from Harley Davidson. And the easiest way to get it out, use a 7/8 wrench, put it on it. It's not even on there super tight. You can get it from this side, on the right side, crank up till it gets loose, and then continue taking it out by hand. Again, this is an 03 Electra Glide anniversary edition, and the gasket was replaced. I think it was less than $10. And again, the neutral switch is going to be about 20. I think it's about $20. And this is a project you can absolutely do yourself. All right, guys, good luck.